Little bird, open your eyes, stop dreaming. I know you see.
This is called Take Flight by Levi Silvani.
Feel it deep inside, and you know it, but you won't.
I would say a very important ABC artist
How can a bird be scared
when it comes to positivity, mental health, and of course talent. This is called Take Flight. Enjoy. You know when you watch a movie and like the girl just broke up with a guy but he doesn't know why and he's trying to figure out why it happened and he's going through the journey of figuring it out.
That is not the scenario.
It's not the vibes?
No. No. This is when she's packing her bags to move away from home to pursue a career in
Same feeling though.
something else.
It does feel like a breakup. She's leaving.
Yeah, but a breakup is this. The lyrics say something else.